What's up guys, Racing here with another awesome video. In today's video I'm gonna make a point of view of what it feels like to drive a 2016 Subaru WRX. Coming up. I like the way the cars handles. For being stock, I only have the catback exhaust that came with the car when I bought it, so the rest is all stock. You actually move this car. I'm impressed. I like the way it sounds. You can, it pops something. I don't know if you can hear the pops, but later I'm gonna step on the gas so you can hear the pops a little better. It handles great. I like this car. If you ever got a chance to have one or ride one, at least do it, because it feels amazing. I heard that some people doesn't like the seats, but for me they are pretty comfortable, you know. I like the way they feels. I'm comfortable with this. I'm 5'7", so I'm pretty comfortable in this car. I can take this car long trip any day. Any day I can take this car on long trips. Hopefully you are able to see. I don't know if you are able to see right now, but if not, I will fix the camera and then do it again. But I really like the way this car handles, the way it sounds, the way the steering wheel feels. Like, feels really nice. The flat bottom, of course. I like this car so much. And guys, I'm sorry if I say a word in the wrong way or something. It's my accent, you know. I'm Puerto Rican, so English is not my first language. But you know, I do my best for you guys. So if I say something wrong, just let me know in the comments or something, and you know, teach me how to speak English or something. I don't know. It's my accent. I know. This car pops just with the catback exhaust. It pops. I have to put the GoPro on the back so you can see how it pops. This car pops really nice. I have to see under the car if I got something else only than the catback exhaust, but it pops with that. I don't think it has damper or anything. It will be much louder, but it pops. It really pops. Right there, I like it too. I don't know if that's normal, but it says the boost peak point is 22.6 psi. So what I'm thinking is that this car was not stuck at all, because it's hard to believe that this car stock go all the way to 22.6 pound of boost. So I think this car was like tuned or something before I bought it from the dealership, because it says right there 22.6. I'm gonna show you closer. I don't know if you're able to see it. 22.6. put you on the exhaust now so you can see how it sounds. I hope you could hear the pops when I put the camera on the back, but it sounds nice. I really like the way it sounds. Well, I made it here to work, so yeah, I got you back when I get out so I can show you the point of view on how it looks like driving a 2016 WRX at night. See you on the night. Wow, we are back, guys. As you can tell, now it's nighttime, so I'm going to show you now how it is to drive a 2016 WRX during the night, so you can see how it is.
12 seconds later.
I don't know if you can see, but the light works pretty well, the stock ones. We got the high beams. Yeah, this is how it looks to ride a 2016 Subaru WRX at night time. I like the gauges looks red, steering wheels red. I like the way everything looks on the dash and everything. That boost gauge over there looks insane. I love it. I love the way it looks. But yeah, it's really nice, this car. For me, I think it's the perfect daily driver. It's all-wheel drive, so I can use it in winter. It's quick. You know, it's really good on gas mileage. So I got 4 doors. I still have the trunk. You know, for me, it's the perfect daily driver. This is the perfect car for daily driver. And of course, I got the BMW, but the BMW, I'm gonna start, you know, building it more and more and more. So I need something reliable that I can use every day to work and back, just in case the BMW, you know, breaks something. I love the pops. Those pops, I love them, man. I have to do my BMW to do those pops. I need that in my life. Don't worry, guys, the BMW is gonna sound like that. Maybe better, because it's gonna have catalyst down quite soon too. I'm gonna lower the windows now on this light. So sorry if you hear the wind noise. I just want to see if you can hear the puff from the exhaust. It sounds that loud this time. Sometimes it sounds louder, sometimes it doesn't sound that loud. Right now it didn't sound that loud, but it is what it is. I cry, guys, I cry. I'm pretty sure you're gonna hear it. You hear it in the clip that I record on the directly to the exhaust. But you know, I wanna see if you can hear it now. But yeah. Now you can have an idea of what it looks like to drive a 2016 WRX at nighttime and at daytime. Normally people do a point of view during the day always. I want to do something different, like during the day and during the night, because you know things change. During the night you have to see the whole lights on the dash and everything. During the day you still see it, but not that much because you got the sunlight. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's pretty clean. Alright guys, so we made it back home. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit that like button over there. If you haven't done it already, hit that subscribe button over there. Join the family, join the Koji Nation. So comment down below if you did it. Hashtag Koji Nation. As always, thanks for watching guys, and see you on the next video. Wow.